Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in and you've opened the target Google form. Start by checking you're the owner or have edit rights. Once done, click Send in the top right, then choose Link, Email, or Add Collaborators via the person icon. Make sure to pick the right sharing channel now because that decision affects who can view versus edit. If you plan to collaborate, use Add Collaborators to invite specific people rather than posting a public link. Now configure precise permissions. When you add people, assign editor or viewer and check Notify People if you want an email alert. Next, use the gear icon and Responses tab to restrict answers to your domain or allow anyone with the link. This controls security and quantity of responses. If you need someone else to manage the form long-term, transfer ownership from advanced settings. Make sure to lock form structure when necessary so collaborators can't change questions unintentionally. Finish by testing access. Open the link in an incognito window or a different account to confirm viewers and editors see what you expect. Then send the finalized link or embed code or email collaborators directly with instructions on editing and deadlines. Once sent, monitor responses and make small permission tweaks if needed. If someone reports they can't access the form, first verify their Google account. Then check domain restrictions and whether you transferred ownership. That usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.